Let's learn how to solve for y in a linear equation. We'll start with the equation 3x plus y equals 1. To solve for y, we need to isolate y on one side of the equation. This means we want to get y by itself on the left side of the equals sign. Let's start by drawing a number line to help us visualize what we're doing. We'll use this to keep track of what happens when we perform operations on both sides of the equation. To get y by itself, we need to get rid of the 3x term. We can do this by subtracting 3x from both sides of the equation. Remember, whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must do to the other side to keep the equation balanced. When we subtract 3x from 3x plus y, the 3x terms cancel out on the left side, leaving us with just y. On the right side, we have 1 minus 3x. Let's visualize what this means on our number line. If x is 0, y would equal 1. If x is 1, y would equal negative 2. If x is negative 1, y would equal 4. Let's graph this equation to see what it looks like. We'll set up our coordinate system and plot y equals negative 3x plus 1. Therefore, we have successfully solved for y. The solution is y equals negative 3x plus 1. This is the slope-intercept form of our line, where the slope is negative 3 and the y-intercept is 1. To verify our answer, we can plug any point from our line back into the original equation. For example, when x is 0, y is 1, and 3 times 0 plus 1 equals 1. Our solution checks out.